Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to use your Xfinity camera without the service in 2025. Whether you're trying to cut costs, avoid subscriptions, or just get more control over your home security, this guide will help you do it safely and effectively. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you want to do this? Xfinity cameras are great, but their service can be pricey. By 2025, many models support local access, allowing you to view feeds without cloud dependencies. But before we start, a quick disclaimer. This method might not work for all cameras and could void warranties, so proceed with caution. Step 1. Check your camera's compatibility. Head to the Xfinity website or your device's settings to confirm it supports local mode. Most 2023 and later models do, thanks to updated firmware. Step 2. Connect your camera to your home Wi-Fi network. Ensure it's powered on and linked to your router. Then, access your router's admin page, usually by typing in the IP address like 192.168.1.1, and locate your camera's IP address from the connected devices list. Step 3. Download a third-party app or software compatible with Xfinity cameras. Options like OnVIF Device Manager or similar tools available on the App Store can stream video directly. Enter the IP address and default login credentials. Don't forget to change them for security. Step 4. Configure the settings. Set up motion detection or live viewing through the app. For better performance, ensure your home network is stable and secure with a strong password to prevent unauthorized access. Now, potential pitfalls. Without service, you might lose features like remote access or cloud storage, and there could be compatibility issues. Always prioritize cybersecurity to protect your privacy. There you have it. You're all set to use your Xfinity camera offline. This approach is perfect for 2025's tech-savvy users. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay secure.